Hi, families. Welcome to the Elk Grove Park District Preschool's virtual open house. My name is Jennifer LoBosco. I'm the Early Childhood Coordinator here. Thank you so much for joining us. We have much to share and celebrate in our 50th year of servicing the community. So let me start by introducing to you our Preschool Education Assistant and our resourceful tour guide, Mrs. Debbie Quinn.
Hi, I'm so glad you're here. Come on in with me and let's take a look at some of our classrooms. Here we are in one of our 3-year-old classrooms, and as you can see, there are many centers where the children can explore and learn through play. Here we have the library and quiet play. And circle time and individual mat play. We have math and manipulatives and a science area. And room for process art. And rug and tables for imagination and design. We have literature. And table time for large group or small group curriculum activities. All of our 3-year-old classrooms have a child-sized bathroom and a child-sized sink for the children to use on their own. Thank you for joining me to see one of our 3-year-old classrooms. We're going to go over and take a look at the 4s now. All of our students have their own locker space for all of their personal belongings. Here we are in one of our 4-year-old classrooms. As you can see, there are many areas for learning through play, and so many choices for individual interests. Each of our students has their own individual mailbox. Here we have the area for curriculum activities. Science and sensory. Table time activities for a large group or a small. Circle time. Train and mat play. And a whole area for process art. Over here we have the library and language arts and quiet play. Manipulatives and math and games. like our 3-year-old classrooms, our 4-year-olds also have their bathroom inside of the classroom. The only difference is the 4-year-old students have the sink inside as well. Thank you for joining me to see one of our 4-year-old classrooms. And now we are going to go and take a look at our music space and our gym. Welcome to our music space, and please meet our music teacher, Mrs. Asino.
Hello.
All of our students have an opportunity for music class once a week. They learn many songs and finger plays, they do dance and movement, and they use many props and instruments. Here we are in our preschool gym space, and here is our gym teacher, Mrs. Gray. All of our students get to experience gym class one day a week, and Mrs. Gray teaches them so many large motor skills, such as stretching and self-space, many parachute games, hockey, basketball, soccer, and so much more. The children love coming to gym class.
And I love having you here.
Thank you so much for joining our virtual open house. We look forward to servicing your family real soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.